Welcome to Foodys Kitchen. This is Samina Tariq and our today's recipe is chicken pilau. I'm going to start with a list of ingredients. The ingredients I need for chicken pilau are 500 grams of basmati rice, which I'm going to rinse few times and soak for half an hour. I have one finely chopped onion, couple of Kashmiri chilies, 1 tablespoon yogurt, ground garam masala, ginger and garlic paste, salt, whole garam masala, some oil for cooking, and 500 grams of chicken on the bone. I start by heating a little oil. In goes the onion. This step can take few minutes because we need to lightly brown them before we can add the other ingredients. The onions have turned chocolate brown. I'm adding the chicken to it. We need to lightly golden brown the chicken before we can add the water. So at this stage we can add the seasoning and the spices. I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ground garam masala, 1 to 2 teaspoons of whole garam masala. At this stage I'm not adding any yogurt, which we'll add later, and in goes the Kashmiri chilies as well. I'm going to allow it to cook on full heat and then going to let it simmer on medium heat for 10 minutes before I add my rice to it. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook. I'm just adding the drained rice to it. After adding the rice, I'm going to give it a stir. Rice only need 1 or 2 careful stirs, otherwise they break. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook on full heat. As you can see, stock has reduced and I'm just going to add a couple of spoons of yogurt to it before I cover it and leave it on top of the heated griddle for steaming. So I'm just going to stir the yogurt. It's all ready to go on the cooker for steaming. I'm turning off this cooker and I have a chapati griddle ready here, which is heated, and I'm leaving it on a very low heat. I'm going to place the pot on top of this griddle and it's going to be left there for 10 minutes for steaming. I'm just going to check my rice. It's been 10 to 15 minutes. They look all nicely done and fluffed up. So I'm just going to serve them, as you can see. The smell of these rice is to die for. It's amazing. It's all the spices and the beautiful stock and the chicken when it's cooked together is amazing flavors. I'm just going to top it with some chicken bits. As you can see, our chicken palau is ready. I'm going to serve it with shami kebab, some raita and cucumber salad.